Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you a quick 3-minute healthy vegan dressing. You can use it for salads, it's extremely delicious, it has that cheesy, creamy texture as well. So let's get started. So for the vegan cheesy dressing, we'll need 150 grams of soaked cashews, about 25 grams of tahini paste, 10 grams of nutritional yeast, 2 squeezed lemons, about 50 ml of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, or if you would like you can use the garlic powder, about 2-3 grams. And from the spices I have cayenne pepper, smoked paprika and salt, Himalayan salt, each 2 grams. And I do have about 40 grams of water just in case to adjust the consistency of the sauce. So what we'll need for this recipe, it's a blender, and you can use any blender like stronger or not so strong and it will do the job. So let's get started. In a blender or a food processor, add the cashews, the tahini sauce, the nutritional yeast, lemon, oil, spices and garlic. And blitz it on a low speed for about 30 seconds, and after gradually increase the speed. So add the water as well gradually and check inside how is the consistency. If you need to add more water, if you want your sauce like more liquid, just keep adding the water. So it's like from 40 grams until 100 grams. So now we have a creamy, delicious dressing for salads. You can store it in a fridge for up to 3 days and it's delicious. So this was my version of the vegan dressing. It takes only 3 minutes to make, and it's delicious from the tahini paste, it's delicious from the cashews and from the nutritional yeast as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Leave any comments in the comments section below. I would love to answer them, and don't forget to check my other videos because I'm posting like super healthy and super quick recipes as well. Mainly they are vegan. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.